Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen, Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making Rasta Pasta, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. For this recipe, we will need some shrimp, deveined, clean shrimp. We will need some jerk seasoning and some spice mix. We need some more jerk seasoning for our sauce, some parsley, some thyme, and some more spice mix. Some bell peppers, different colors, some onions, some cheese, mozzarella and cheddar I'm using, and some heavy cream. We need some garlic as well, and some butter. By the way, this is the jerk seasoning that I will be using. They have a hot and spicy and mild one, but you can just, if you like spicy or not, you can buy whichever one you like. I will be using this pasta today because this dish is typically made with a tube like pasta. First, I'm going to season our shrimp. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, the jerk seasoning, then the spice mix. I'm going to give that a stir. When this is all mixed up, I'm going to add it to my Pyrex bowl, and I'm going to bake this in the air fryer. First, I'm going to melt some butter. To my butter, I'm going to add my bell peppers and onion. I'm going to let these get translucent. Then I will add my garlic. I'm going to let that cook for a little bit, but not for it to burn. Next step, I'm going to add my jerk seasoning. And let that cook for a little bit, a minute or two. I'm going to add my pasta to some seasoned water, cooked to the box direction, according to the box direction. Peppers, onion, and jerk seasoning. I will add some heavy cream. Mix that up thoroughly. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to add some thyme, some seasoning, give that a good mix. Next comes the cheese. The cheese for me is more for texture, not really for taste, because this has a lot of salt already. Once everything is well combined and incorporated, I'm going to add some parsley. If you find that your sauce is too thick, you can add some pasta water to it. Once my pasta is all cooked, I'm going to add it to my sauce. Make sure everything is well combined. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very delicious. Thank you for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button if you like my videos, and check the rest of my videos on my channel.